Gemma 4 is Google's latest family of open-source AI models, released on April 2, 2026 under the Apache 2.0 license. It includes four sizes: E2B, 2.3B, and E4B, 4.5B, optimized for mobile and edge devices, along with a 26B Mo 4B active and a 31B dense model designed for high-performance systems. These multimodal models support text, images, and audio on smaller variants, offer up to 256K context length, enable native function calling, and deliver strong performance in reasoning, coding, and math tasks. The 31B version ranks among the top open models, combining high performance with efficiency, making it possible to run advanced AI on personal hardware. To run Gemma 4, you need to install Ollama on your device. First, go to the Ollama website, download it, and install it. After installation, open your terminal or command prompt. Then type Ollama run Gemma: 4B and press enter. The model will start downloading. Once the download is complete, you can start using it directly in the chat. For smooth performance, it's recommended to use a medium or high performance device. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.